Hi, Jess.
Hi.
What's going on here?
Oh, nothing.
Yeah? What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, behind of the camera. Actually, a cell phone. Just finished work, so we're just chillaxing over here. Just enjoying some after work drinks and snacks in here. So what we got over here, Jess? What we got? Oh!
Oh, sheesh. Oh.
Watch out! Put my monster over there, guys. Let me show you guys the snack haul. Oops. Oh, be careful. We got some taquitos over here, guys. Check it out, man. Taquitos. Hey, just like that Street Fighter character. Taquito. Oh, no. Actually, the player. Not. He plays Kuma in Street Fighter. All my Street Fighter fanatics. Holla. Yeah, so check it out, guys. Bike path right there. Guys skating. Got some backpackers there. And nice, beautiful coconut lady over there doing some stretches and yoga. And Scotty's over there with the stunning view of the beach area here. Look at that. Alright, guys, hey, what's up? What's up? I didn't bring my nice camera out, so I apologize. The quality is not that great. Right, Jess?
I
know, Jess is on her Facebook action, guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna do a little time lapse for you guys. Right behind us, I think will be a nice one. And check you guys later. Peace.
Hey, don't you step on his tail.
No,
I see you.
No.
Always do that. I scream.
Yeah, don't step on his tail. What's up, guys? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Oh, kind of dark. Let me see. Alright, so Erica got me a present. It's kind of dark. Let's go this way. Oh, there we go. This is better. Sun's over there. Hey! My goodness. Oh my God, there's a mosquito around here. It's biting me. So yeah, Erica got me a... Hey, Erica, you want to film me? Gotta go in that direction right there. There you go. Okay. Come on, Romeo, give it to me. Let's see. Okay, we got right over here.
Be careful.
Happy Father's Day. From Erica. Thank you, baby. Thank you very much. Let's see. What I got? What I got? Ooh.
Be careful.
Be careful. Have to be careful. Have to be careful. Wow. Wow. Check this.
Let me see.
Wow. Look at that. This is all. Oh, wow. Is there like a beer thing? Oh, you're the best. Get the beer, the bottle opener right there, guys. Check that out. Thank you very much. And I got Super Dad. Oh, wow. Look how, how'd you do that, Erica?
Walmart.
Wow, look at that. That is so awesome, guys. Check that out. Romeo, get down. That's not nice. And then I got... Romeo, stop. Oh, at Paradise. Hold on, let me put this down. Stop that. That's not nice. At Paradise to Paradise. I'm so proud of what you accomplished with YouTube. Keep chasing your dreams, Dad. Love you. Congrats on hitting 1K and happy Father's Day. Yay! Wow, that's a nice picture.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. Thank you very much, Erica. This is so cool. Oh, that's a nice picture. Perfect for that.
You see me.
All right. Thank you. Woo. Awesome. Hi, Dad.
Oh, even Romeo. Even Romeo, boy. Shit.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Oh, happy Father's Day to you.
Yay.
Also, Robert.
Yeah, look at that. What are you drinking, Dad? Holy moly. That looks nice.
I'm drinking the La Cerveza Más Fina.
Oh, sheesh. You're getting Spanish on us, man.
I'm taking rugby over here.
Yo, you taking rubbish?
Oh, you picking rubbish?
Oh, that's good.
Oh, very good helper.
Yeah, good job.
Good job,
The
man.
mosquito must be...
It's the ballerina.
At least the one inside is the one
Interview. Hi, Mom.
inside is the kind of...
Hi. What are you cooking, Mom?
Oh, look at all that.
Holy moly macaroni. Look at all that, guys.
Oh, my Lord.
Hot dog, some teriyaki action right here. And what's in the foil, Mom? Is that potatoes?
Potato, yeah.
Potatoes in those foils right there, guys. Oh my goodness.
We're having a potato.
Yeah. Ooh.
Good health.
Father's Day cookout. Oh, hey, don't forget the corn. Look at that. Look at the corn.
Oh, the corn.
Look at those corns, guys. Oh my God.
Oh,
We need some
delicious.
margarine, huh? Come on, we need some margarine with that. What do you think?
Oh, delicious.
Yeah, we have margarine.
Good.
Row of hot dogs up there. Look at that. My brother's picking up some pokey. I think he's coming in right now.
Delicious.
Some pokey action.
The poke action.
Yay!
Oh, here
yeah.
comes the poke. Nate, be careful, this one.
Oh, here comes the pokey action.
Oh, here comes the poke.
Yay! There you go. Hello. Hi. Hi, Nina.
You didn't get me presents. No
Wow.
No presents. I can't
Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh, look at that. I got more stuff.
Oh, I get gift yet?
I don't.
Wow, thank you.
All right. Yay, we got thank you.
Wow, Red.
My goodness.
You've been pumping it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she bought the heavier controller. Alright.
Wow.
Yeah,
Cooking, Mom.
look at that.
Mother's Day. Father's Day.
Oh, since it's Father's Day, the mothers cook. Oh, okay. Okay.
You're doing some push-up upstairs.
Yeah.
Get all the abs now.
It's the black. Alrighty.
Yeah,
It's
let's
the
see the
black.
abs.
The black color. My God, Eliza, stop that already.
Go, just leave it
Yeah.
there already. Go wash your hand. I mean, wash
All right, guys.
your face. Go.
Yee.
Ay, baka may napatawag
I hate that already. I'm over it. Over it. Trying to separate. Why do
Gentle.
they put it together in the first place?
Which one?
The katol?
Oh,
Why do they put it together?
you guys should put it
I always bust them up. And then check out the sky, guys. Look at that. Woo.
It's like from here, it's like orange and reddish and blue.
There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Adjust aperture, guys.
Sky?
Look at that. Look at the sky, guys.
See the sky?
Holy moly. What's going on over here? Oh, wow.
That's the steak.
That's a steak going there. Oh, but look at,
You don't like poke, Mom?
yeah.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Look at the sky, guys.
Poke.
Oh, wow.
The big one.
The big
Oh,
one.
can't see now. Look at that.
Ano niya? Sarap ko na pang kayo i-date ko.
Yeah.
Go to the airport already.
Ne, mo pandan sa Hanulolon.
Yeah, they're gonna buy Bruno Mars tickets. I know, the second show sold out too already. Done deal.
Oh, yeah.
I knew that, yeah. 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 Sold out already.
You look online. People are very
Wala da?
Yeah, I know. You know who bought most of the tickets? Is the radio stations, and then now you gotta play games to get it.
Yeah, they give you.
Stupid.
You're right, yeah.
Yeah. Wow, man, check that out, guys. Woo! Look at that.
All right, come on, gang.
Juicy. Look how juicy that. Oh my God. Happy Father's Day.
Wow, look at
Thank you,
that.
Mom and Dad, for bringing a lot of the
Oh.
food here. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh, anything
all
to
that.
celebrate.
Look at that.
Look at
Thank you, Nina.
dessert.
Thank you, Randa.
Wow, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, Randa.
Oh my God. Holy moly macaroni. Are you live?
Yeah.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm alive.
Live. Oh, how's Erica's small little knife kind of?
You need the bigger one.
Yeah, bigger one, Erica. Come on.
Ah,
With the
that's
Ah, it's
program.
okay,
No,
Erica.
Erica.
Wait,
no.
let me go wash my hand like this. Wait.
You just snap it.
Yeah, snap it. Ha.
Snap it, baby. Look at that. Snap it. There you go. There you go. Get vicious. Come on. Damn, there you go. No, enough of that little butter knife action. Let's go. Alright, good job, guys. Woohoo. Holy moly, my phone.
All right. Oh yeah. Oh,
Okay, I got sister. The sister. The sister. Yay! Oh my god, we got some potato on deck, guys.
Ah.
Woo! Hope you guys are loving the sight of great food over here. Oh, what happened, Erica? What's going on? Oh, I want to show you guys what I'm drinking here during Father's Day. Some Castaway, guys, right there. Some Castaway. So I hope you guys are having a... Oh, I can't even see myself.
Oh.
There you go. Hope you guys are having a great night. All the fathers out there, just want to say Happy Father's Day, and hope you guys are having a great time. For us, we're about to chow down. We're just waiting for my mom to finish up the prep there, and actually for Jess to reach home because she had the late shift today. Hey! I got you there.
Look at that.
Holy moly!
No, that's not okay.
That's some
Yeah.
carbs. That's not nice, Romeo.
Ah, stop doing that, huh?
Romeo, that's not nice, Romeo.
Ow! Ow!
Hi, Erica. Interview.
See?
No.
Whoa. What's that?
Interview. Interview. What is going on here?
I'm watching Coco.
Oh, what? What is this movie?
Coco.
Coco? Coco de Rasta?
Coco, Rasta.
Coco de Rasta. Hi, Jess.
Happy Father's Day.
Hey, thank you. Welcome. Welcome home. Timber.
Oh, man. Light lang ang trabaho doon. Hindi pa ako napagod. Wala pa ng pawis eh.
Yay!
Wala pang pawis. The red one. Ang ginagawa ko lang doon, mag-selfie lang doon sa lobby.
You bet. We're selfie in the lobby.